How to get lower processes in Windows. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm gonna teach you how you can get lower processes in Windows device. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. So let's dive right in. First step that you will need to take is just go to your task manager. What we're doing is removing our any startup apps. So you can right click on the taskbar and open up task manager. And after you open up your task manager, there you'll see the startup apps option right here. Tap on it and there you will see your startup apps. So from here you can disable all the startup apps. So just disable anyone by right clicking on the app and tapping on disable. You can do that for as many apps that you want. So all the unnecessary apps can be disabled from here. And after you've disabled basically all of the apps or all of the unnecessary apps, your startup should be much smoother and it should feel smoother as well, basically lowering your processes. Now you can also check your processes from here on the processes tab. You can go to performance, and on your performance you should be able to see how many how many processes are currently running and everything. So it's basically that simple. Now the other thing that you can do is also limit your services. So open up services, and on your services you can check for any unnecessary service that might be currently working. So what you can do is you can select it and stop the service from here, or you can simply right click on that very service and stop it from here as well. And you can stop all the unnecessary services that is currently running. And after that, what you can do to also make sure that it's running smoother and with lower processes is that remove any unnecessary applications that you might have. And doing all those basic three stuff, your processes will get lowered and will result in faster performance. And that is basically it for today's video. Thanks for watching. If you're new, just subscribe, and if you found this video helpful, leave a like down below and stay tuned for more. Thanks for watching. Bye bye and take care.